In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Surfshark from your PC easily. If you're looking to completely eliminate Surfshark from your computer, maybe because you're switching to a different VPN or just cleaning up some space, you've come to the right place. Let's go through each step together to make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, let's navigate to the settings on your PC. You can do this by clicking on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen and then selecting the gear icon from the menu. This will open up the settings window, which is where all the main configuration options for your PC reside. Once you're in the settings window, look for the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on it, as this is where you'll find all the applications installed on your computer. It's a good time to maybe glance around and see if there's any other software you might not need anymore. Moving forward within the Apps section, you're going to want to click on Apps and Features. This is essentially a directory listing every single application installed on your PC, both big and small. If you ever find your device running a bit slow, this is a great place to investigate which programs might be taking up a lot of space or running in the background. Now, you're going to need to scroll down the list of installed applications until you find Surfshark. Depending on how many applications you have installed, this might take a moment. As you scroll, keep an eye out for anything else you might want to uninstall in the future. It's always good to maintain a tidy system. Once you locate Surfshark in this list, you'll notice a three-dot icon to the right of its name. Clicking this will open a small menu with additional options. This is a common way in Windows to see actions you can take with an application, including modifying or uninstalling it. Click on Uninstall from this menu to begin the removal process. Windows will usually ask if you're sure, as this step cannot be undone automatically. Confirm your choice to proceed. Uninstalling may take a few moments, but once complete, Surfshark will be removed from your system. And that's it. You have successfully removed Surfshark from your PC. Remember, keeping your applications up to date and managing them efficiently helps in maintaining your computer's performance and freeing up valuable space. If this video helped you, consider checking out more of our guides for additional tips and tricks on managing your software effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.